Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the sump assembly in your dishwasher. The reason why I might have to do this is because the assembly is damaged, causing water to leak on the floor. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4" nut driver, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. And now we can remove the lower rack assembly, and that'll just roll right out. And we'll take out our silverware basket assembly here. Now I'm going to remove the bottom spray arm here, and that's just going to twist off with this square piece on the bottom here. We can remove the filter here by twisting that counterclockwise and lifting that straight out. And then we can get rid of this as well. Now I'm going to get rid of the water tube right here. There we go. And now I'm going to lift up this cover and twist that tab in order to release it and pull that out. Now I'm going to close up the door, and we have to lay it down on its back. So now I've got to get everything else connected from the bottom of the sump. So we're going to start up here, and I'm going to use my pair of channel locks to grab this clamp right here and squeeze that so we can get that out of the way. And now we can remove that hose. Now I'm going to use my 1/4" nut driver, and I'm going to unscrew this clamp here so that we can get our motor off. So once that's loose, that'll come off of that, and you can pull the motor right out from this grommet right here. And now I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. We have to remove this grommet as well because the new sump doesn't come with one in it already. So we're just going to carefully pry this down. And now we should be able to just grab the grommet and pull it out since we've got it started. Now we're going to remove our turbidity sensor. So that's just going to rotate counterclockwise and pull straight out. So in order to get this off now, I've got to push in on a tab right here, and we're going to rotate this counterclockwise. And once it's past that little piece, it should be fine, and it'll pop right off. So now we're going to get these cables out of the way because the sump is going to be going out, and we don't want the cables to get caught with it. So it just pops out right there. And now I'm going to release the locking tabs here. There's going to be 3 of them, and they're just going to twist. There we go. And now with those all disconnected, we've got one more tab. So now we'll just push down on this tab right here, and we're going to push in on the sump and release it. And now we just have to set the dishwasher back up and get the sump out. And now we'll take the old sump out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement sump assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll put our new one back in. And we're going to line up this tab right here with that hole right in here. And now we'll close our door and lay the dishwasher back down. So now we'll just pull our sump all the way back through, and that tab locks into place up there. And then we'll push all of our locking tabs back down and lock those in. There we go. Now we'll just grab our wires and we'll put those underneath this clip right here and hold those in place and out of the way. And now I'm going to put our turbidity sensor back in. There's going to be 2 notches right here. You're going to line up the smallest notch with the small notch on the inside and then put that in. And then Give it a good twist and lock it into place. So now we'll put the pump into place. We've got a couple of tabs as well as the part where the tab goes into right on there. We're just going to line that up and then twist that into place until it locks in. You hear that click, so that's not going anywhere. Now we'll put our drain hose back into place. Just slide that on there, and we'll use our channel locks and move the clamp down, and that should secure the hose. And now we've got this pump with the grommet here. If you want, you can either put the grommet inside here first and then put the motor into that, or you can attach the grommet on the end right here. Just push it down. It'll be nice and secure. And once you do that, you're going to line up this tab with the hole on the back here. And then push the grommet up into place. And now we'll put this hose up. And just push in the motor a little bit more. And that's nice and tight up there. And now we'll secure the clamp. Okay. So now we flipped up our dishwasher and stood it back up. So we're going to put everything back on the inside here. Pump cover here first. And just twist that in place. Then we can put our water tube back in, as well as our filter and that cover right there as well. There we go. Now our spray arm, we'll line that up and then twist that clockwise until it snaps in. And now that we have the rack assembled, we can set it on the door here, right where the tracks go. And we can put in our silverware basket assembly here. And then we can just roll the basket back, close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.